How to go live on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure you have the updated version of the TikTok application. So just tap on the search bar and search for TikTok. Now here, as you can see, there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of TikTok application. So just tap on open and make sure you're logged into your TikTok account over here. Now as you do that, what you can simply do is you can tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen over here. As you tap on the plus icon, it will give us various options over here. So just tap on the plus icon over here and make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. And if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Now as you do that, here you can see you have the option of photo, text and your videos option. You have the templates available as well, but there's no option of live over here. So this is particularly because you have to meet certain requirements of being able to go live on TikTok. First is you need to be 18 or above. Next is you have to have 100 to 1000 followers on your TikTok application to go live on over here. So let's check if we have enough followers. As you can see, there are very few followers, so we are not eligible to go live on TikTok. So that's how we could not go live on TikTok. Otherwise, you could go live on TikTok with the option of live at the bottom. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.